Automated Billing Part 6. This video features multiple languages. Just go to your YouTube video settings, click Audio Track, and select your preferred language. Clear billing cells. Manually clearing out old billing data every time you create a new invoice takes too much time. Let's automate it. Today, you'll learn how to create a simple Clear Billing Cells button to instantly reset your sheet with a single click. Coding the one-click reset script. Before making the button, let's write a quick, simple macro. Let's jump into the Developer tab, open Visual Basic, and insert our Workspace module. Under Properties, give your module a name. Let's go with clear_data. No spaces allowed here, so use an underscore to link the words together. Time to code. Let's start typing our script right here in the clear_data module. Every macro starts with sub. Type subclear_data, hit enter, and let's go. And watch Excel auto-populate the end sub for you instantly. Now, we just type our master program right here in the middle. To remember what this program does, let's drop a helpful note using an apostrophe. Since Excel ignores these lines, you can sprinkle reference notes anywhere inside your program. Let's type out our note. Clear all current bill data to start the new transaction. Now let's write the code to wipe out our very first cell, E14. Type worksheets followed by your sheet name in quotes and brackets. Add a dot, then define your target cell using range E14. Finish it off with clear contents to wipe the data instantly. This keeps your formatting like colors and borders perfectly safe while deleting the text. Now, jump back to your billing page and throw a random value into cell E14. Head back to the VBA window, hit the play button, and let's watch the program run. Flip back to your billing sheet and check out the results. And just like that, cell E14 is wiped clean and ready to go. To keep it simple, we'll build this step by step even though you can write this entire program in just one line. Now just copy that line, paste it below, and swap out the cell names. Now edit the value in the bracket and change it from E14 to E15. For continuous cells, just define the block like B20B51 and the code wipes it all. Copy the code and paste as per your needs. Same like above, change the cell's value. To clean up your code, just bundle them into a single line with commas, like range E1 for E15, E17, E18. Let's fill up every single cell we coded so we can put our program to the ultimate test. Pop back into VBA, hit the play button, and let's see this script run. Now click back over to your invoice and check if the formula worked perfectly. Yes, the formula works flawlessly, and every single cell we coded is completely wiped clean. Head back over to your VBA workspace and let's save this script so we don't lose it. Your code is safely saved directly inside the module. Drawing the button and assigning the macro. Go to Developer, hit Insert, and point your mouse at the Form button. Click it. Just hold down your left click, stretch the box out to the size you want, and release it right there. Watch the Assign Macro window take center stage. Just click on the code, hit OK, and your button is officially linked. Now just click right inside the button and rename it to Clear Data, or whatever you want. Simply click outside the shape, and just like that, your macro button is live and active. Just like before, let's pack all our targeted billing cells with data for the ultimate test. And look at that, our spreadsheet now looks exactly like a fully professional bill. Now hit that Clear Data button to test it out. Look at that. All the data is perfectly cleared out in an instant. Using a custom picture as an action button, go over to the Insert tab, hit Pictures, and pick out the perfect icon for your sheet. In the Picture menu, choose whether you want your image locked inside the cell or floating freely outside. Now just browse to the exact folder where you saved your image file. Select the image as you like and select Insert. Now that the image is on your page, simply resize it to fit and drag it into position. Now just right-click that image, hit Assign Macro, and let's link it up. Now click anywhere outside the image to deselect it and set it live. Now let's load up those billing cells with data one more time to test our picture button. Go ahead, smash that custom image button and see if it works. It works flawlessly. And that's it. One click, and your billing sheet is fresh and ready to go. If this just saved you hours of manual work, hit that like button and subscribe to automate your workday.